How to log in into Ceridian Payroll account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Ceridian Payroll login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to this site, Ceridian. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you'll be able to log into your account. So first of all, what you want to do is simply enter your user ID that was given to you while creating your account. Once you have entered, the next thing you want to do is enter the password that you have created. But in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen process and then you'll be able to recover your account. So once you have entered your user ID and the password, click on Sign In. And then you'll be successfully logged into your Ceridian Payroll account. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your Ceridian Payroll account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.